you got a late start because of the choices you made.
Right. I went to private school as well. All my classmates, I'm seeing them, doctors, lawyers. I'm just trying to make sure I don't get evicted, things of that
Yeah.
nature. And, that kind of messes with you.
Oh, for sure it does. Like this was some years ago, but like social media and all that. And then you see like some of your classmates are work for ESPN and they just
Yeah.
went to the ESPYs because I'm a non-traditional student, right? So I found myself at UH at the their little medical thing. I had to get a form signed or something. And I was like, I think this guy was my classmate, but he was the doctor.
Yeah,
you
exactly.
know and
Exactly.
and and it does mess with you a little bit because it's like you got a late start and you have to own it because